Good morning. So today we are engaging in a case study based group discussion. So the topic is impact of automated machine learning or AutoML on jobs. So in the healthcare industry, large amount of patient data are required to train the intelligent system so that can assist the doctors in diagnosis, treatment planning and disease prediction. So however, a real patient data contains sensitive personal information and cannot always be shared due to privacy and security regulations. So to address this challenge, the researchers and organizations are now using synthetic data, which is artificially generated data that mimics the real patient information without revealing any individual identity. So at the same time, another technology and advancement known as AutoML is transforming how machine learning models are developed. So while this innovation increases the efficiency and accessibility, it also raises an important question like how will AutoML affect the future of jobs, especially the roles related to data science, analytics and machine learning. So it will replace the certain tasks or it will create new opportunities for professionals with advanced skills. So in this case study activity, each group will analyze the situation, discuss the benefits and challenge of these technologies and present their viewpoints on how synthetic data and AutoML can shape the future of healthcare and employment in the data science field. So now my students will discuss this topic in a group discussion.
In this group discussion, we will see about the topic automated machine learning on jobs, how it is creating the impact on machine learning. So first let me give up the introduction of automated machine learning. Automated machine learning is a technology which will automate the process of building machine learning models. So for example, it can build the model like traditional data scientists and had to manually handle tasks like data processing, model selection, feature selection, and it also perform the process called tuning. So in AutoML, tools simplify this process, making AI accessible and even to non-experts. So which non-expert also can train this model very easily. So and this also leads to the rise of AutoML, and it's also the process of broader growth of artificial intelligence. So where all the AutoML will easily get the process and it can be easily performed in every model, and the model also can easily train itself. And today the companies are adapting AutoML to save time, reduce cost and speed up innovation. And it also rapidly increases its performance in machine learning domain and artificial intelligence domain.
I am going to share about positive impact of job. AutoML is actually creating new job opportunity rather than just replacing job. It allows beginner and professional from different field to work with AI without deep technical knowledge. For example, roles like AI consultant, data analytics and business intelligence professional are growing. AutoML helps employee focus more on decision making and creative instead of repetitive tasks. Also, industries like healthcare, finance and marketing are using AutoML to improve efficiency. This increased demand for skilled professionals who understand how to apply AI tools in real world scenario. So AutoML is democratizing AI, make it easier for more people to enter the tech industries.
Now I will explain the negative impacts on job. So first one is AutoML can reduce the demand, can certain traditional roles. Tasks like basic data cleaning, model building and parameter tuning can now be done automatically. This may affect entry-level data science job and routine technical roles, and companies may prefer AutoML tools instead of hiring large teams for simple tasks. And there is also a risk of job displacement if employees do not upgrade their skill. People who rely only on basic technical knowledge may find it difficult to compete in the job market. Therefore, AutoML can lead to job shift and skill gap. Another issue is the loss of deep expertise. AutoML gives results quickly, but it works like a black box. User may not fully understand how the model is making decision. This is risky critical industry like healthcare and finance, and where wrong prediction can cause serious problem. And also AutoML cannot completely replace human thinking, it struggles with it. So there are three: complex problem understanding, ethical decision making, and domain specific knowledge. And for example, in this job in medical diagnosis, AutoML can suggest predictions. A doctor must interpret them carefully.
I'm the one who is going to conclude and speak about future outlook. In conclusion, AutoML is not a threat but a transformation. Like any new technology, it changes the nature of job rather than eliminating them completely. The future belongs to people who combine technical knowledge with problem solving and domain expertise. Learning skills like data interpretation, critical thinking, and AI ethics will be important. Instead of fearing AutoML, we should adopt and upgrade our skills as artificial intelligence continues to grow. It will create more advanced and meaningful job roles. So AutoML is not replacing humans, it is empowering them to work smarter. The growth of artificial intelligence and AutoML will continue to create new roles such as AI specialists, data strategists, and domain experts who can interpret results and make meaningful decisions. Companies will need people who not only understand technology but also have strong critical thinking and communication skill. At the same time, there is a clear message for our workforce. Continuous learning is essential. Employees must upgrade their skills regularly to stay relevant. Learning areas like Learning areas like data analysis, AI ethics, and domain knowledge will help individuals adapt to these changes. Finally, AutoML should be seen as a tool that enhances human capability rather than replacing it. Human bring creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical judgment qualities that machine cannot fully replicate. So the future will not be about humans versus machines, but about human work with machines. To sum up, AutoML is not a threat to jobs, it is an opportunity for growth, innovation, and smart working. Thank you.